Everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of Lego City Van and Caravan set 60117 from 2016 to 2019. As you can see, this is the full build. There are two minifigures and the dog. And you can take the roof off, then you can take the driver out, and then you take the other part of the roof, then you can take the lady and the dog out the van. And also you get this beautiful caravan. As you can see, that's what the caravan looks like on the inside. There's a place for the minifigures to sleep, and let's go kitchen area. Then you close the caravan up, and you also get this campfire piece, and also the pieces that look like sausages, and also the dog bone, and this is a nice set to add to your Lego City display, especially if you want to have a camping theme. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my email is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.